Hello, I'm Simon from CareCo, and here we have the Metro Rollator, which I'm going to show you how to assemble. I've taken the items out from the packaging and I've laid them out in front of me, as you can see. I have the main chassis of the Metro, its lower tray, middle basket and top tray. We'll start by putting the lower base together. I've laid this on its back, as you can see, and the handles are just behind it. In order to put this together, I would suggest that we lift up on the front wheels and the item then clicks into position. We can, from this point, lift up the rollator. You'll notice the handles will come towards me, but this is now ready to place the handles into their slots here on the sides. Starting with the right handle, we just place that into the tube here, and we'll do exactly the same with the left-hand side. It's worth noting that the cables come out in front of it, and that's the ideal position for them. Stand within the rollator and adjust this to suit your height. You should be in there so that it's securing you and it's not too high or too low. These can always be adjusted later. Push on the bolt from the inside, and once it starts to tighten, just tighten that up, and by pressing the red button in the middle, we can adjust that handle around just to make it look a little bit neater. We'll do exactly the same on the other side, but just double check that we've got these at the same height. And then tighten. Again, you may have to press the bolt in just initially and then tighten. Again, I'm just going to move that handle so it looks a little bit neater. Once we've positioned it together as this, I would advise that you press on the loop handle brakes. This will stop the Metro from moving away as we add the further 3 components. We'll start with the lower tray. This simply clips into position at the base. The 3 clips go on the front bar and the side rails go onto the side of the framework. So place it inside and clip all of the 5 clips into position. Next, we'll add the middle basket. This does have handles to help you to carry it, but when you're fitting it, make sure that they're all the way down. It doesn't matter which way around it goes, as long as its longest length is going from side to side. Underneath, we have just 2 hooks, and it simply slots into position and rests on the back rail. Lastly, we have the top tray. This has 4 little positions that sit onto the seat area. And there we have the Metro Rollator fully assembled.